So when equality is related to fairness, or it is constantly saying about fairness, so let us now understand what is fairness. Okay, so I'm giving you one example, please have a look at it carefully. Now there are two pictures in front of you. Yes, one is first column, the other is this one. Since I have already written it and these are my notes from one of my education institutions, or so you can already understand it. When I'm talking about equality, see now here three students are, or you can say three people are standing. In order to understand it a more better way, you can understand that a cricket match is going on, okay, and they are outside the boundary, they are not inside the stadium, they want to see a cricket match. So when we apply the concept of equality, we are making everyone stand on the same kind of podium with the same height. But क्या इससे इनका issue solve हुआ? नहीं. She was already tall, she could see it anyways, but they were small, so in proportion to their height उनको पोडियम चाहिए था जिससे वो क्रिकेट मैच देख सके. सो जनरली व्हेन वी से इक्वालिटी वी से सेमनेस, हर किसी के साथ सेमनेस हो. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्विटी वी टॉक अबाउट फेयरनेस. दैट मीन्स लुकिंग एट द नीड्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. ओके, जैसी जिसकी नीड है उस हिसाब से उनको केटर करना इज कॉल्ड इक्विटी, एंड दिस इक्विटी इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड फेयरनेस. So when we are referring to the notion of equality within our constitution, we basically refers to equity, okay, and also there is a quotation that equity leads to equality. So the equality we are talking about, it comprise of equity, okay. This is also an economic understanding, आपने पहले पढ़ा भी होगा ये economics में. So when we are talking about equality in terms of our governance, in terms of our constitution, हम बात कर रहे हैं fairness की equality की, okay, not sameness. Yes, sameness will be there, first we will take care of equity, अपने आप equality sameness आ जाएगी, okay. So coming to our text, so the reason we have many definition is because the meaning of equality is dependent on the context. We start with what is meant for ourselves and then proceed to consider others, the poor, disadvantaged, senior citizens, etc. We discover many layers of meaning. We have been doing political theory without realizing it. Now, since the first paragraph was talking about that political theory give us different notions या different definitions about a certain concepts, okay. So जब हमने practically एक example को देखने की कोशिश करी regarding when people are standing in different queue for hospital, waiting room, government office, so we realized how the notion of equality is different. जब हमने equality को हमारे ऊपर अप्लाई करके देखा, दैट मीन्स व्हेन वी अप्लाइड इक्वालिटी ऑन आवरसेल्व्स द नोशन वाज डिफरेंट, दैट ओके फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व शुड बी इक्वालिटी. व्हेन वी लुक्ड इक्वालिटी थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ अदर्स, उन अदर्स में कौन आए? पुअर्स, डिसएडवांटेज, सीनियर सिटीजन्स. सो वी फेल्ट नो देयर शुड बी सेपरेट काउंटर्स फॉर देम, और इफ़ अगर वो हमसे लेट आकर भी पहले क्यू में आ जाते, that would also be considered fair, right? So whole definition, so we can understand different definitions of equality, okay, when हम practical life से associate करते हैं. So we understand different layers or different meanings of one concept. We have been doing political theory without realizing it. So it means basically we are actually following political theory, but हम उसे शायद realize नहीं करते हैं कि नहीं हम political theory follow कर रहे हैं. हम real life में चाह कर भी और directly or indirectly we are actually following political theory when we are understanding different notions of different ideas, okay.